Hello there, welcome back here. Today I'm going to do a food related video which is quite different from what I normally do. This is actually my first ever collaboration with another YouTuber and she is amazing. Her name is Lauren Daniel and I will link her channel down below. So we both are making food related video, and in this collaboration I'm going to do this video, which is very obvious from the title. I'm going to try 3 Oreo recipes from Pinterest. I found them on Pinterest, but honestly I lost the original post on Pinterest, but I do know the website, so I hope that's okay. And she is going to do a dinner ideas video, so once you finish watching this video, go check out her video, which I'm going to also link down below. She does mom related videos and she often features her amazing lovely daughter Blake, so check out her channel, she's amazing, and give her some love. Enough with the chit chat, let's go to the kitchen. And I'm just gonna give you some warning. I'm not so good with desserts or sweet things, so this is really just for fun. You know, trying out, testing, doesn't have to be perfect, but let's see how I did. So I'm sorry that I talked so much, but let's go ahead and go to the kitchen. Okay, so first is this recipe from Cincy Shopper. It's called the Oreo Pudding Pops. So first, of course, I would need Oreos and then the white chocolate pudding. Next, I break 3 Oreo biscuits into little pieces and set that aside for now. And then I grab another bowl, different bowl, and also break about 3 Oreo biscuits, and I put them into this plastic bag. And then I make sure I seal it so they don't go anywhere. And then I use this roller to make sure that they are finely crushed until they look like this. Next, I pour my pudding mixture into this pan and I mix with 200 milliliters of milk, and then I just mix them together in medium heat. I couldn't find any disposable cups and popsicle sticks, so I just use my own cups and make it like a normal pudding, I guess. And I just put the Oreo chunks in there and also the finely crushed Oreos on top, and then I leave it in the freezer for 4 hours. So after 4 hours I decided to move it into this plate just to see if the shape is alright. So I tried to remove it from the cup. Boom! Okay, definitely a mistake. And it tastes quite alright actually, but would you look at the difference? Oh my gosh. Moving on, I tried to create this Oreo crispy treats from highheelsandgrills.com. So in this recipe I also use crushed Oreo biscuits or cookies, but with slightly different method. And then I used marshmallows, but I couldn't find the plain one, so I decided to just use these ones, which ended up being a big mistake. And then I just heat up some butter, put in the marshmallows, hoping they would melt and stick together. And as I stir it and mix it, I realized that the color just ruins everything. It started to look really weird, especially after I poured the Oreo and mixed them together. It just doesn't look like food to me, to be honest. And then I placed the mixture into this tray and I let it cool down for a few hours, and then I cut it into little pieces and I try it, and it doesn't taste bad at all, but look at the comparison here. Oh my gosh. Okay, moving on to the last recipe. This is Oreo popcorn from eatthisUp.com. And it's really easy. I just start with some butter and then I put in the dried corns, and don't forget to close your pan because it's going to be crazy here. And I just wait for the corns to pop one by one. It's really fun to watch. And I just put that aside for now. Okay, next step is to use this whole white chocolate bar, and I just cut it into little pieces so that it's easier to melt later. And next step is, of course, melting the chocolate. I just stir it in a bowl with boiling water underneath to help it melt quicker until it looks like this. Then I just add the white chocolate into the popcorn and mix them well. And the last step is to add the Oreo powder into the popcorn and the white chocolate mixture and just mix them well. And there you go. You can enjoy it while it's still hot, or you can let it cool down until the chocolate's solid. And yeah, finally something that looks like the picture. Oh, yay. Yeah, right. I think I'm not 100% proud of how it turned out. At one point when I was in the kitchen, I thought about not uploading the video, like totally cancel this whole video. But you know what, it's okay. I've learned my mistakes, and I put the link to the recipes down below for you guys to try if you want. And don't forget to head out to Lauren's channel and see her dinner ideas. I'm so excited to see her video. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.